We are going to do the renovation for this golf cart. That is very bad shape. So I'm going to do the whole paint and everything. Stay with me so we can do. Firstly we need to remove the 4 screws. This side. Take off all these screws. Remove the screws. Time to take off the. There's the roof, you can see. We will use the sandpaper, make a really good paint. We'll do the sandpaper, wash the cutting board, everything. It's really handy. So we just wash, dry. You can see.